upcoming Jordan Spizike Low Black Denim brings together heritage basketball influence and modern streetwear attitude. Created by Jordan Brand, this lifestyle sneaker highlights a bold denim theme inspired by the craftsmanship often seen in classic denim culture. The upper is built with rugged black denim panels that deliver a textured look while maintaining durability for everyday wear. Clean white contrast stitching reinforces the structure and adds visual detail similar to the stitching found on traditional jeans. Subtle red accents appear throughout the design, referencing the iconic bred color heritage associated with the legacy of Michael Jordan. A bright tongue unit helps balance the darker upper while adding breathability and comfort. Beneath the foot, a white foam and rubber midsole provides cushioning and impact support during daily movement. The sneaker is finished with a classic gum rubber outsole that enhances grip while adding a vintage-inspired touch. The Jordan Spizike Low Black Denim is expected to release soon through Nike and select retailers.